All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Dodge Dart. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful blue with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Super nice, only 42,000 miles. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Look pretty good. Your hood looks pretty decent. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, it's got some curbing 3. Some more over here, 6. I say altogether about 6 inches. Tire 30 is up at 5/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LLC curbing. And your tire thread here is under 4/32. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn it on for you guys. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff that's working. AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 42,707. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty decent. Your rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There's a spare tire here with some tools. And I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, no paint off. PDR work there, less than 1 inch. Rear passenger rim. Does have some curbing. See 3, 6, 9, about 9 inches there. Your tire thread here is under 4/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Just some dirt. This quarter looks, this fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread is at 4/32. Actually a little bit, a line over 4/32. Let's double check that. Yep, it's actually almost at 5. Got some curbing down here. I see 10 or more, just gonna go off that. Pretty much looks good. No scratches can come off. That's not real scratches. All right, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2016 Dodge Dart SXT model with 42,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.